Yani titretiyor. Çok titretti hatta. Ah. Böyle bir şey.
Okay, dear students, our recording is turned on. Please pay attention to your words, to your actions.
Dersi boşanıp gitti o kız. Tamam. Kız ders boşansın.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to my class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher. How are you?
Good afternoon. Thanks a lot. What about you, dear students?
Not bad.
Why not bad? Why not good? Okay.
Just the last lecture was so boring.
Just the lecture was so boring. Okay. Whose lecture was boring? Is it what my?
No, not yours.
So you are 16 students, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Right now, only 7 students from your group are taking part in my lecture. In my class. Okay, dear students, now just wait for, I think we have to wait for other students about 2 or 3 minutes. After that, we will start our lesson, yes? Don't you mind?
Okay, teacher.
Could you please inform other students to get connected as quickly as possible? I see some of you got married. Please switch on your cameras. You know, students, I started uploading my videos to my YouTube channel. So after that, I will send you the link to our lessons. You can see it.
Teacher.
Zioda, I can hear you.
I think maybe you have some problems with your connection.
No. I was watching and surprising with your eyeglasses because you look already like a teacher.
Thank you.
With these eyeglasses. I'm just observing how many students are here. Okay, we are already 13. So 13, there should be
Good
totally
afternoon, teacher.
16 students. Good afternoon. So I think we can start our lesson, yes?
Yes.
Okay, let's get down to our lesson. Okay, just give me a moment to demonstrate our, okay, literature and skills, no. So the students, today is our third week, yes?
Yes. Yes.
So the theme that we will discuss on our third week lessons is classification. So the purpose of our lesson is to give examples and to generalize and include charts and diagrams. Okay, now please let me demonstrate you. So classification. What is classification? When we classify, we arrange members of a group. For example, if we take the following list: physics, chemistry, biology, French, German, Spanish, it is quite clear that we have two different types of word. We have science subjects and language. So it is, okay, I can't see what is written. It is simple to divide the list into two. So we divided these these subject names according to the following classifications: science subjects, physics, chemistry, biology; language subjects, French, German, and Spanish.
French, yes.
When we are
French.
classifying, we often need to say what our classification is and how we are making it. So example, so I am Hazel. Could you help me with reading this example?
Lavas may be divided into two contrasting types, acid and the basic. Acid or siliceous lavas have a high silica content, about 70 to 75%, and are stiff or viscous. They move slowly over the surface and solidify close to the vent. Basic lavas have a silica content of about 50%, dark colored and fluid. They flow more easily at lower temperatures and reach a greater distance from the crater than to acid lavas.
So read the following sentences.
These Earths of ours, what is the text classifying lavas? How many types are there? Two, what are the two types, acid and basic? How do you make the distinction? The amount of silica present.
So now, dear students, here, before classifying, we have to ask such kind of questions. What is the text classifying? How many types are there? What are the two types? Okay, this question, I think the third and the fourth one and the second one also depends on the classified theme. Okay. The tables below show some of the most common language used in sentences which have classification as their purpose. There are two types of lava, acid and basic. Okay, there are two kinds of lavas. Okay, lavas. These are acidic and basic. There are acidic and basic. Kinds, classes, categories, source, variety. The two types of lavas. Okay. So dear students, in order to understand better, now I would like you to get down to the exercise. So I think you have to do it yourself. How do you think? Should we do it in a group, discussing the questions and the answers, or should you do it yourselves? Which one is better?
Mhm.
I see.
Let's do it together.
Okay, firstly, let's do it in group. All together. Okay, who would like to read? Aim Hazel already helped me with the first exercise. She had
Okay.
read the
Okay.
exercise task. Okay. Now I would like Nazarket to help me with this exercise.
Exercise.
Okay,
In the part
Nazarket.
of card,
Nazarket,
yes.
please make your speech clear and read it slowly.
Okay. The parts of a car can be classified into three groups: mechanical, electrical, and body parts. Mechanical part consists of the engine, the gearbox, the brakes and steering wheel, the windscreen, wipers, the radiator, and the tires. The engine provides the power and is usually provides the power and is usually located in the front section of the car. In the same section, we have the gearbox, which controls the engine speed, the brakes, which are used for stopping the car, and the radiator, which serves to cool the engine. The steering wheel is in front of the driver's seat and it's used for steering the car. The wipers, which serve to clean the windscreen, are on the outside of the car. Finally, there are the four tires on which the car rolls. The electrical part is made up of the generator, the dynamo, and the battery and the headlights. The dynamo and the generator are in the same place as the engine. The former generates electricity and the latter is used for storing electricity. The headlights are used at night, and the last part is the body part, which consists of the seats, the doors, and the windows. And their shapes and design change according to the model of the car.
So now your next task to make an analysis. Complete the analysis of the model paragraph by filling all blank space, the parts of a car. So now let's go back to the question. What is the text classifying?
Car.
Car.
So the car is
The parts of a
classified.
car. So classified
Yes.
into three. Mechanical part of the car,
Yes.
electrical part of the car,
Electrical
and
part.
body part of the car.
Body.
So
Body
here,
parts.
mechanical, electrical, and body. Okay, now the next question. How many types are there?
Three types.
Three types.
Okay, what are they?
Mechanical, electrical, and body parts.
Body parts.
Okay, what are the three types? Again,
Yes, electricity, mechanical.
how do you make definition? The amount of. Okay, now write down all the classified. For example, the first one was mechanical body.
Mechanical part.
Okay, now write all the definitions or classifications of the mechanical part. Engine part.
Engine.
I'm
Brakes.
sorry, electrical part and body part of the car. So what is said in the exercise about mechanical part of the body of the car? I'm sorry.
Can I say?
Uh-huh.
The mechanical part consists of the engine, gearbox, the brakes, the steering wheel, the windscreen wipers, the radiator, and the tires. The engine provides the power, and it usually locates
Dear
in
students, why do you say engine? Do you have a specialist like engineer?
Engine.
Engine.
Do you say it in engineer?
Engineer.
Engineer. Engineer. What are you? I am an engineer. What is this? It is engine. It is
teacher, in
British
English, we like engine. You may say in American English, engine.
Maybe.
Engine,
You may
okay.
say engine and engine.
Engine, okay. Doesn't matter, okay. So
Yes, and it's a similar thing.
it's not engine at all.
Engine. Yes.
Okay.
Because you are pronouncing it like engine, dear students. Pay attention to your pronunciation also, okay? If sometimes I also make mistake in pronunciation, in that case, please inform me, okay?
Okay.
This is not a mistake, teacher.
Part.
It's not a big problem to make a mistake, but it's a big problem if we don't correct our mistake.
Yes.
Okay. Please keep going.
Second is the electrical part. Is the made up of the generator,
Electrical part.
the dynamo,
Generator,
and
dynamo.
the headlights.
About last one.
Body part. Consists seats, doors, and windows. Seats, doors, and the windows.
Okay, thanks a lot. Look carefully at diagram, write a description of the classification of drinks. Begin your description. Drinks may be classified into two main groups.
Yes.
Alcoholic
Non-alcoholic.
Non-alcoholic.
alcoholic drinks.
Beers, wine,
Beer.
Beer.
Yes. Only 3 alcoholic.
And what about non-alcoholic?
I'll divide into two.
Dear students,
Yes.
just make a silent, please pay attention to my speech. Okay, the alcoholic drinks are not limited with spirits, wine, and beer. You can add your classification also. Okay, what we can add to alcoholic types of the drinks? Whiskey,
Cognac.
Champagne.
cognac, vodka.
Piva.
Beer is already listed.
Yes.
Is already given.
Yes.
Okay.
Bourbon.
Bourbon, okay. Keep going.
Шампанский.
Okay, dear students. So the next one, non-alcoholic. Non-alcoholic, okay, in this list is divided into two, hot and cold one. Hot non-alcoholic drinks. As you can see, tea, coffee, cocoa. Cold one, aerated, non-aerated. It means sparkling and non-sparkling.
Yes.
Aerated, lemonade, tonic water, soda water, Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, Pepsi.
Buratina. Holiday.
Holiday. Harpoon.
Yes.
Saragash, sparkling,
Baikal.
Baikal, and so on.
In the
Non-aerated,
Mojito.
mojito, and so on, so on. Lime and fresh, yes? Lime and fresh, Okay, non-aerated. Scratch.
Juicy.
Okay, thanks. Thanks a lot. Non-aerated. Yeah, non-aerated fused tea. We have non-aerated fused tea, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Pico juices.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Dada.
Dada.
Morse.
Fruit juices normally undulated, and others. Example: milk, ayran. Okay, okay. Ayran is not a drink, I
Yes.
think. It's a kind of food, I
Milk.
think.
Beer is the
Okay.
best one.
Now, exercise. Look carefully at diagram. Write a description of the classification of drinks. Begin your description. Drinks may be classified into two main groups. Okay, here we have classification of the drinks, dear students. I'll give you this exercise as a homework, or if you are able, you can do it right now. You can get down on it right now if you want, and write the descriptions or write the short essay about the
Drinks.
classification of drinks in this given piece of paper. What you are going to do? Would you take it as a home task or
Yes, please.
in a class? Okay, as a home task. Okay.
Yes.
So now choose one of the following topics and write a classification paragraph. Okay, what about this one? Again, to take as a home task.
Only one home task, it's enough, maybe.
Yeah, I think this one is enough for you as a home task. And let's get down to other essay writings and do it right now during our lesson. Now, choose one of the following topics. The following topics are here: cars in Turkestan, basic makeup things, traditional Kazakhstan, local marriage customs, types of fabric, and the right classification paragraph. And you have to write classification paragraph, dear students. Make sure you use the proper language, such as listing signals, enumerators, and signaling words. So, how many minutes do you need?
Maybe 10 or 15.
Maybe 10.
15.
15. Because
Oh, dear
Right.
students,
they
if you take 15 minutes, you will start passing your test from the lessons that starts from, I think, from 13:30, yes?
Yes.
13:30. Okay. In that case, I give you this exercise as a classroom work, and I give you 15 minutes, and I will stop my recording right here because I'm giving you time to write your essay.